Coronaviruses are a family of contagious viruses that can cause respiratory infections from the common cold to SARS. These viruses can mutate rapidly, resulting in the 2019 new coronavirus named Sars Coronavirus 2, which has crown-like spikes that characterize the family. As with most viruses, Sars Coronavirus 2 commonly spreads from an infected person to others through droplets in the air when coughing and sneezing, through close personal contact, or by touching a contaminated surface and then touching the face. Unless controlled, each infection typically results in 2 to 3 subsequent people being infected. Like other coronaviruses, Sars Coronavirus 2 deposits its genetic material into host cells. The viral RNA reaches host elements called ribosomes, which act as factories that produce viral proteins. This facilitates replication of the viral genome and assembly of viral components, producing fully formed replicants that are secreted and further spread infection. Infection caused by Sars Coronavirus 2 is known as COVID-19 and can cause fever, coughing and breathing difficulties, along with cold-like symptoms. Serious cases of COVID-19 can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and can lead to fatalities. Global health organizations have outlined preventive measures to reduce the chances of Sars Coronavirus 2 infection, including refraining from touching the face with unclean hands and frequent hand washing with soapy water. As with previous global outbreaks such as swine flu, COVID-19 has gained global attention and treatment development is being accelerated.
Was informed of an outbreak of pneumonia of unknown cause detected in Wuhan, China, on the 31st of December 2019. Today we know that the infectious agent was a virus of the coronavirus family which was named SARS-CoV-2 that causes a respiratory disease termed COVID-19. This virus has not only received widespread media coverage, but also caught the attention of scientists who have been busy analyzing the virus, the disease it causes and how it spreads. There is already an enormous amount of information available about the virus, and that is why we thought to summarize some of the information in this video. First of all, what do we know about the virus? Coronaviruses receive their name from their appearance in electron micrographs, where the pronounced spike-like protrusions create the effect of a corona, Latin for crown. The genetic material inside the coronavirus is RNA, and the entire genome is almost 30,000 bases long, packed together with a nucleoprotein into the viral particle or virion. For the virus to replicate, however, it needs to insert its RNA into cells and hijack the cellular machinery to produce new viruses. On its surface, the virion contains 3 main proteins: the envelope, the hemagglutinin esterase, and the spike protein. These are embedded into a lipid bilayer. The large spike protein is responsible for the crown-like protrusions, but it also recognizes the corresponding receptors on human cells called ACE2. The protease ACE2 mediates the cleavage of the spike protein, which then releases an epitope enabling the subsequent fusion of the virus with the human cell.